Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Force a restart by holding power for 10 to 20 seconds because a hung process often clears on reboot. Once done, remove the case, SIM, and micro SD to rule out short circuits or pressure on the screen. Make sure the phone is cool. Thermal throttling or heat can freeze the display. Plug in the original charger and confirm charge level is above 10% so the device isn't prevented from booting or performing repairs. Next, boot into safe mode so you can determine whether third-party apps cause the freeze. If the screen works there, uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps. Once done, boot to recovery and clear the system cache or cache partition. This removes corrupted temporary data without erasing personal files. Make sure to update core system apps and any pending OTA firmware because bugs fixed in updates often resolve freezing. Also, check storage free space. Low storage leads to instability. If freezing persists after diagnostics, back up your data immediately and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software corruption. This restores system defaults. Once reset, reinstall only essential apps and sync your accounts, and monitor the device for 2 to 3 days to confirm stability. If the phone enters a boot loop or freezing returns, try flashing firmware via ADB or fastboot tools as a last software step. And if that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.